Hello kids, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to solve this equation and get their x and y values. So let's see. So first here, writing the first equation, root 2x plus root 3y equal to 0. So this is the first equation, and let's see here. Second equation, root 3x minus root 8y equal to 0. So this is the second equation. So I'm going to remove the y part. So if here in equation 1, if I multiply with root 8, so root 8, so this here or root 25, that's come there. Sorry, 24, that's come there. This here root 24y. And if I multiply with equation 2, root 3, so this here 24y minus, that's come there. So this plus and this minus. So when I add this two equations, so this remove, then you can get easily their x value. Okay, so that here on equation 1 multiplying with root 8 and equation 2 multiplying with root 3. Or we can write here multiplying equation 1 with root 8 and equation 2 with root 3. So this, so let's multiply there. So this here root 8, then root 2x, and here root 3y equal to 0 into root 8. So root 8, now if I here we can write this root 16x, and this here root 24y, and 0 into root 8, this come here 0. So now let's assume this is third equation. Now then after multiplying second here with root 3, so root 3 here root 3x, then root 8y equal to 0 into root 3. Now let's write there this root 9x and this here 24y and 0. Assume this is fourth equation. After that, simply you need to add third and fourth, then you can easily get their x value. Thereafter, write this place adding equation third and fourth. So we can write here root 16 x plus root 24 y equal to 0, and the next equation root 9x root 24 y equal to 0. So this plus minus minus, and there is 0. Now these terms that cancel, then you can write there root 16x and here root 9x equal to 0. Or this place taking x common, so this here root 16 plus root 9 equal to 0, or we can write here x equal to 0 divided by root 16 and root 9. So anything if you divide by here multiplying dividing with 0, then the value that come here 0. So x value is not 0, that's come here. So this x value you can put on equation 1 or 2. So putting on equation 1, so writing here putting x value in equation 1. So equation 1 is root 2x, then root 3 y equal to 0. So root 2 into x value is 0, and this here. So 0 if you multiply with root 2, root 3, so this value that's compared 0, and this here root 3 y, or we can write here root 3 into y equal to 0. So y is here root 3 multiplication, so this will go on this division. And now if you multiply divide, then the value of divide with the 0, then the value comes 0 here. So x value and here y value, the value comes 0 and 0. So this is the answer of this question. And this is here, this is how we can get their x and y values. So one time going to repeat this all. Assume one and second equation, y part removing because here plus and minus is there. so that you can also remove the x part. To remove the x part, here you need to multiply with root 1 equation, root 3 and root 2 equation, root 2. Then 6 is root 6 complete, then here subtract, then you can get the y part, and y value you can put on equation 1 or 2, then you can get the x part. So here I remove the x part, sorry y part, so that I multiply root 8 and root 3. After that, here a y part is now similar or same, and after doing the addition, then you can get your x part. So this is how we can get their x and y values of this equation. So I hope kids you like this video. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.